I got all this? Cobra right here. I lost the video. We got cut out, so I got to make it part 2 now. I was wanting to keep it all one video, but it's pretty sharp. There's more cars than we thought here.
Well, they said 203.
200.
They turned 50 cars away because they didn't have space.
203 cars, and they had to turn 50 of them away because there's no more space. They might have to take this to a different area of town. Too popular of a show.
Started their own car show in the gas.
Yeah, the gas station.
Over in
I don't know if we did that road, did we? Yeah, it's just people's choice, guys. It's then like once the parade starts, it's not, you don't have to drive very long. Once you're driving, it's fun. It's just the whole.
Like a lot of waiting. The parade don't start
I mean, heck,
at 3.
awards are they're doing this end of this at 1:30. So by the time you get over there, it will be already 2 or later. It starts at 2:30, right?
I think you said 3.
But that's when they're all lined up. Like that's when they're going. That's when they're leaving there at 3. We'll be lining up probably right at 2 o'clock. See the same color almost.
I didn't see that one. I didn't know that.
This Camaro is sweet. Awesome Camaro. Oh, I guess not.
You walked away from that. Oh, no.
Yeah, it's crazy. Look at all these cars. They're sending them away because they can't get in. It's too many cars here. White Corvette. That's the same one that was in Lawrenceburg?
Yeah, it is. These ones actually aren't even.
Grand Sport Corvette. It's got the tags on the dealership paper on it, see? Yeah, I mean, it's just chaos. GMC truck. There'll be a lot of noise when all these cars get out of here.
I'm puking the back. I'll sit back there if you want me to. Hey, Rick.
Sunny Acres, Kentucky.
Jimmy, you go right.
Fortunately, I've never been called right now because he started wrestling water every year. Let me go look at this car with Popo.
Uh-oh.
You got to see it yet. Hey, Popo. Want to come up here with Dada?
I mean, it can't be people having much fun with it. The police is right in front of you. So I don't know how much these guys are going to be getting on and getting out here. It'll be loud. A couple more bikes over here. Yeah, they just don't have any more room for any of this stuff. Crazy there. That was the Grand Sport right there. I mean, is there like this guy in the truck? He's probably trying to get in there. There's absolutely no way. No way you can get in there. Huh? Right. This guy's acting up. That's why that lady said if I get in the back I'm gonna puke, because he drives like this.
Oh, that was a
Yeah.